When Magda she met his family, she realized that all of them, like he used to live with two of his kids and his mother-in-law, ex-mother-in-law, and she realized that all of them are so much in love with the ex-wife still now that they are not ready to let her go. Of course, the mother-in-law, of course, was so much attached to daughter, of course, that she didn't like Magda right away, but they thought, if we give them time, they might come around. So they started dating, but they would do everything in their limits. So while they were working in their office, also the mother-in-law would come and see them, working and all. Then she didn't like it all. All of a sudden, what happened that they got a news that the company has got to know about their affair, whatever thing was happening between them, and now they're like, हमने तो कुछ ऐसा किया ही नहीं कि people हम पे शक करे या फिर कुछ ऐसा करे. We were searching for another job for you, but we wouldn't get any place because कहीं पे भी कुछ है नहीं. How did they get to know? But the crux of this whole problem was कि now Magda lost her job. Now Barry is like, you lost your but on the brighter side, what you would be doing is now you would be able to just work on your draft and everything, so like that wouldn't be an issue. Now you can work as a freelancer and everything. So she's like, "Yeah, okay, fine, whatever. If I'm working on my project on my novel anyways, fine, whatever." She's heartbroken, but she takes it with a pinch of salt. She's like, fine, I'm okay. Now she comes back home and she sees Inga to kahin gayi nahi hai. Now on the other hand, what Inga is going through. So now once Inga is sure that she's pregnant, she decides to talk to Frank, and she is like, okay, fine, I'll just talk to him, I'll just make him see the situation and maybe he'll do the right thing. Now on her next trip to London, she's like, she goes there and she calls him, and she's like, I need to talk to you regarding something, and he's all being goofy and flirty. Yeah, ha, let's meet. Frank से मिलती है वो in the evening when she meets he takes her to a bar जहाँ पे बहुत सारे smoking and everything भी चल रहा है. Now that she is pregnant in her first trimester, she is pukey, morning sickness and everything is there. Once she is there, she starts having bad tummy and she feel like puking, and he's like, तुम्हारी तबीयत खराब है क्या? She goes, मेरी तबीयत खराब नहीं है, मैं प्रेग्नेंट हूँ.